Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. If you're still thinking of Canva as just a tool for social media posts, you're missing out on its most powerful feature, the website builder, okay? This year, web design has shifted, as you know. We have moved away from those sterile, perfect corporate grids to something that Canva calls imperfect by design, okay? This is all about texture, personality, and interactivity. And the best part is you don't need a single line of code to build it, okay? So in the next minutes, I'm gonna show you how you can build your, blank screen to a fully published custom domain website. We are going to build a portfolio for a fictional creative named Alex using Canva's new website builder. Okay guys, so the easiest way that you can actually access this builder is by going to Google and just typing in Canva website builder, and you have to go to the first result, not the second one, okay? Just this first one here. And now we're just gonna click on create the website. Now the first step is actually going to be the setup, okay? You can actually scroll through thousands of templates. Okay, as you can see in here, there's many different ones. But in 2026, we're going to use the magic design, okay? So instead of just going through the templates, we're going to basically use a prompt in here, okay, to describe our ideal design. So I'm going to type the following prompt. A portfolio for a detailed artisan, texture, paper background, college style, okay? And I'm going to click on enter and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so just by typing this prompt in here, the AI is going to try to find templates that are similar to what we actually asked for. As you can see, maybe you can ask for this one here. I can click on apply to all 5 pages. And look what's going to happen. It's going to come up with a beautiful thing, okay? But I'm actually going to sell you a second way of approaching this, which in my opinion in 2026 is even better. And it works by actually using what is called magic design. So guys, once again, I want to come to Google and I want to type in magic design for Canva. We're going to click on the first result, okay? And what I'm going to do in here is I'm just going to type in the exact same prompt as before. So basically a portfolio for a detailed artisan, texture, paper, background, college style. And instead of, the AI finding templates for me, what it's going to do is that the AI is going to create a template for me instead. So let's click on generate design. Let's click on generate in here. And now it's going to start thinking and to generate what I asked for, okay? So I'm going to click on it because it has finalized generating it, so you can see. So guys, look, Canva didn't just give us a layout, it generated the vibe, okay? It's using that, texture, check trend, the torn paper edges, the tape elements automatically, okay? So this actually looks pretty amazing, but the thing that is missing is the nav bar, okay? The navigation bar. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna click in here and I'm gonna click on Ask Canva. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna say, okay, generate a navigation bar suitable for this design, okay? And I'm gonna click on enter and it's gonna start thinking about what it can do in terms of the design. And this is like a chat. You can basically like type in many different messages until you get the right one. This can take a little bit longer to generate, guys, so be patient, please, okay? And now it actually gave us like an image that we can try on. So we're gonna put it in here, as you can see. Okay, and you can basically just put it in here. Obviously, this doesn't quite match because, the background is different, but what you can do is you can use the background remover, okay? This is very important. This is a premium feature, of course, but this is going to be essential, I believe, okay? So we're just going to place it in here from now on. Maybe like this is center, like so, okay? And now what you have to do again is you have to remove the background, okay? So yeah. So guys, a quick comment. Now that you are in the editor, keep in mind that Canva websites are primarily one-page size. As you can see in here, this is only one page, okay? You can see that this all information is a stack, basically. They're actually sections of a single long scroll if you could make them into a website. They're perfect for portfolios and event pages, but yeah, keep in mind that this is going to generate just a single page, not multiple, okay? And you have to do this here multiple times. So guys, how we can make this unique is by adding different elements, okay? So I'm just gonna go to elements in here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna search for some kind of grainy texture, as you can see, okay? Let me spell it right, actually. So I'm just gonna drag this thing to here, okay? I'm gonna make sure that it actually fits the whole page. And what I'm gonna do, of course, I'm not gonna leave it like this, okay? What you have to do is you have to modify the opacity. For this, I want you to go to edit in here, as you can see. Let's click on adjust. And here you can modify the tint if you wanna make it like more similar to the other one, maybe kind of like this, okay? You can even add some vignette or vignette. And you can even click on here transparency and you can just lower it down, okay? So this will look like 0. But if I turn it all the way to, let's say, 40, it's gonna look perfect. So guys, before we publish, we must check the navigation on the mobile view. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna click on sharing here. And now we're basically gonna come to the public live view. We're gonna click on it and we're just gonna copy it, okay? And now you can open it in our window. I'm gonna do it. And as you can see, it's gonna look like this, which is actually quite nice, okay? So yeah, just make sure that everything is looking fine. You can maybe open it in your mobile as well. It's always important for your mobile to be looking good, okay? Especially because 70% of your visitors will be on their phones, okay? So you want it to look perfect on their phone as well. And now what you can do is you can take that design to basically the first tool that I show you, which is the website builder, and then you can click on Pablo's website to actually go live with it. This is going to give you like a, Canva domain, which then you can modify to something maybe more private or more, personal. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is how it works, okay? And you can build amazing things with this. Thank you so much.